Hello everyone, my name is Stef, and in this video we will going to see how to find coins to trade based on RSI, price action or volume scan. This website tradingroom.io gives you price action, RSI scanner and volume scanner, and let's say we want to see which are the most recent pumps. So we are going to see that UMA coin, and I selected UMA coin, and we can go on the daily, and I selected that this is a very great support zone and probable buy zone. So right now if you want to buy it, it's a great buy zone, not a financial advice, and then you select the probable resistance zone, so you can see that this resistance zone was respected, and after that you can see that this zone is also very important. So if the price closes on, let's say on the 4-hour chart above this zone, you can say that okay, we can buy on the dip, like let's say we want to buy here, and let's say we want to target US distance, so you have like a good risk to reward, and I'll put buy here. I'll put a buy, like 6% from my portfolio is 10% is 5, so I'll put 500 USD probably, and then I'll put another account. The great thing about HyperTrader is that you can use many other accounts and you can trade. And after that you can put the RSI scanner. The RSI scanner will give you that on the 1 hour. I selected because I'm a trader of the 1 hour. You can select that XRP is oversold, some SKL, Bell. Also see the volume scanner. So the volume scanner gives you which coins have right now the most liquidity, like when UMA has most liquidity, and on the 3-day, on the 24-hour, the volume increased like 3000%. Wow! So this is it. How do you trade without any scanner and everything else? TradingRoom.io, I'm not sponsored to see. I'm just helping you guys. See you soon. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.